Hello, I'm Hasin here. Welcome to my new video. Today I want to share short tricks about Popup. I'm using Elementor to make this Popup. Here is the Popup. It's very simple, and if you want you can add more design here. So let's start the video. First I have to install a plugin named Popbox. So you can see in other videos most of the people are using 2 or 3 plugins to make a pop-up, but for this simple tricks we are using one plugin named Popbox. I just install it here and activate. And here is a new option for Popbox. I can check my previous Popbox here, and I can also add a new. Normally I'm using Elementor canvas or full width. Right now I'm using Elementor canvas and publish it, and I can edit it using Elementor. So live in the editing. I'm not making a very complicated design and I don't want to long the video, so that I'm creating a simple design here. Here is a heading for purchase and middle alignment. I want to change the color to black, and next I want to import the contact form, so that I have to use the shortcut. And right now I need the my contact from 7 shortcut. So here is the contact from shortcut, and I have to paste it here and apply. It's done. I want to make the width little bit smaller and update it. It's done. I have to create a new page to testing this. So and again I can edit it using Elementor. I just take a blank section and I'm looking for the Popbox. It's as the button. I can align, I can change the size, I can write anything, I can change the color. Basically I like black, so that I'm using this, and I can also add the hover effects from here. I can use here the hover animation. Just use the glow. When I hover on the button, it's glowing. So let's select the Popbox container, and last I create purchase pop and other pop-ups here. I just select the purchase pop and update it, and let's see the preview. Here's my website and here's my button. Just click it and the pop-up is here. Basically the design is very simple, but I want to explain the video in a short time. I hope you enjoyed the short video and I can explain what do you want and what you are looking for. Basically in this pop-up many people are making too much confusion, but I just make it very simple and easy. And please subscribe my channel and like my video and click the bell icon for the next upcoming short tricks.